where we had the elevated bridges, of course, were causing some issues and people were actually stuck on those bridges. And this is why those bridges freeze first, where you see when you have the ground, of course, that ground can be cold to freeze up first. But a lot of times on the ground, it holds on to some subsurface temperatures that are above freezing and helps to keep the roads a little warmer. Sometimes that's not really the case though today. But what we're watching with bridges is that where the ground might be holding on to some of that, losing the heat evenly. What happens on a bridge, though, you've got the cold air that goes up under that bridge, and that's why that could get to or below freezing faster than the roads do. But as Chesley and I have been telling you, we've been watching these road temperatures here in our area. And these road temperatures are really at or below freezing. And what's interesting with this is that when you have these road temperatures that are this cold, we can definitely have some of that freezing on the roadways. Now, Chesley and I also talked about earlier, a lot of times when we get these winter weather conditions, sometimes days prior, we may have temperatures in the 60s for a while, and all of a sudden we get a cold front in here that causes snow. That's when those ground temperatures hold on to the warmth a little bit more. But with this system coming in, we have had numerous days of temperatures below freezing, a lot of days with lows in the 20s, highs only in the 30s and 40s. So our ground has had an opportunity to really get cold faster. So it's not that situation where the ground is that warm right now because we've had that long stretch of really cold air. So take a look at some of these road temperatures that we have right now. And in northwest Georgia, that's where those road surface temperatures, more of those are not only below freezing, but we also have some of those road temperatures in the 20s up in Dalton, also up in Blue Ridge, below freezing in Rabun County, also at Daresville, Georgia 400 north there, going up near Buford, road temperatures at 30. We have 31 in the city of Atlanta. The road temperature on the downtown connector there at 10th Street is at 31 degrees. So with this moisture, the snow that's there, and any freezing rain and mix there, the roads are cold enough to add even more of a glaze. And that's why it is so important that you want to stay off of those roads.